Wow, I think it is time. Yes, it's definitely time for Terra Classic to get listed on some of the top crypto exchange that are yet to list this coin. Okay, you can take a look at what this coin is doing right now in the past 30 hours or in the past 2 days. Yeah, the coin is actually on news. So many blogs are talking about Terra Classic with the recent price bomb, price surge, 150% rise, with over $270 million being invested in less than 24 hours. You can see, I think for me, yes, this is an opportunity for Terra Classic to get that noticed. It's an opportunity for Terra Classic to get back on Coinbase and other top crypto exchanges that are yet to list Terra Classic coin. Because if you consider that this coin was listed on Coinbase before Coinbase removed Terra Classic, you discover that right now, even though Coinbase are yet to list Terra Classic, even though Coinbase they don't want to list this coin because this has been going on for months. People have been asking questions, people have been waiting to hear, people have been asking Coinbase to list and support Terra Classic because it was once there, and well, no matter what happened, they should support throughout, at least not just because of the developer themselves, but because of people that invested on this coin. If the coin can bounce back, it will help a lot of people who actually trusted Terra Classic and also trusted Coinbase. So I think for me, they should consider doing this, and I think this time they really need to consider that what happened with this coin within the last few days means if this coin Terra Classic gains more support, I believe that yes, there is a possibility that Terra Classic could really pump back. Terra Classic could really put smiles on people's faces. Terra Classic could really rise and pump. Okay, there's a possibility to delete some zeros with the support from Coinbase. Okay, you can go and check the, even anyone listening, watching this video, you can just go and check Terra Classic right now on CoinMarketCap. See what is happening. The coin is doing well. Okay, over 32% rise already, and I'm happy to see that this coin is actually doing well. So if you ask me, I will tell you the truth that Coinbase needs to list Terra Classic once again. Coinbase needs to support this movement. They need to support Terra Classic LLC, considering what just happened within the past few days, considering how people invested, how money flow, millions of dollars have been flowing in and out of Terra Classic, considering how this coin was able to push themselves from below the top 100 down to almost the top 75. So it means, yes, they are really serious. They are really serious with this business. Okay, and I also want to thank the developers that they should keep on doing a good work and they should keep on pushing. I believe Terra Classic is definitely going to pass back very soon. Once again, thank you for stopping by.